Hey there! Welcome to today's lesson, the past progressive. Okay? So here we have the first example. Milena was dancing in the studio. Yeah, this is an affirmative sentence. And now we have to be very attentive to the was, which is the verb to be, conjugated in the past. And we're using was because we're saying Milena, which is the equivalent as in the third person, right? So instead of saying Milena, we could use she. So we know that when we use the third person for these grammar tense, the past progressive, we say Milena was dancing in the studio, or Milena was not dancing in the studio. So the was not, it could also be said in its short form. Wasn't, was not, wasn't. And now, what about the other one? Instead of saying wasn't, we can use weren't. Weren't is were not. When do we use weren't? In a negative sentence, but for example, when we use the personal pronoun they, as in they. Who? Natty and John. So Natty and John weren't singing at the concert. I don't know what they were doing at the concert. Maybe they were listening the concert, but not playing or singing at the concert. And for the interrogative or for the question format or type of sentences, we have to use first the verb to be conjugated as in for the past, right? So we have two conjugations of the verb to be. We already checked these before, but it's a good reminder now that we are checking these grammar tense, the past progressive. So we have either was or were. So for example, with was could be was I eating McDonald's yesterday? I wasn't eating McDonald's yesterday. As a matter of fact, I think I was eating pizza yesterday. But that already happened. I'm not eating pizza anymore right now. Okay? And what I suggest, and it's a good recommendation, believe me on this one, is that you keep practicing with the resources available here in this course. I have also covered a lot of different external links for you to practice these past progressive. So, in a matter of just maybe a few hours or maybe a few days, I'm pretty sure that you will exponentially know how to use way better these grammar tense, that it's quite useful. Now we're checking the structure, and then further on we will be able to, like as a puzzle, we're gonna connect all of these grammar tenses. That's the cool part. So just be a little bit patient. We're getting step by step.